Hello, you might recognise this situation, my jumper and my face and everything from the face halo product. So I've just done a video because I've just done that. I'll link it up anyway. My makeup is off as a result of the face halo that I was demonstrating. I have since put I have since put moisturiser back on. But what I wanted to do was actually now try CC cream from It, the pink one. Because I've never tried it. The only CC cream I've used has been the Tarte one, which I can't replace. Almost finished, so I've ordered this one. So many people have been raving about this. Factor 50, SPF 50, UVA, UVB, the CC plus illumination. So my first try of a CC cream that is not Tarte. And let's see how I get on. I've taken it out of the box, obviously. I have not squirted it yet. I've taken the, I don't know if there's a plastic bit on it. I think there is, and I've taken that off. So, yeah, right, let's have a go. I've squirted a dollop on my hand. I'm going to use a mirror. That's very, okay, so my impression from just dotting it around my face so far is very much like a foundation. I don't really know why it's a CC cream, not a foundation. It gives a thick coverage. Actually, it gives a thicker coverage than some of my foundations. The foundation I'm currently using is the Light Wonder from Charlotte Tilbury, and that is a lighter coverage than this CC cream. Okay, so I've let it settle down. I've added some lipstick, I've added some blusher, because how I use CC cream is generally it's not going to be with powder and so on. It's for those light day makeups. It is a fuller coverage than I expect, and as I said, I still believe it's fuller than my Light Wonder foundation coverage that I get from Charlotte Tilbury. And I say that because I think he stopped now. Yes, it is a fuller coverage than my Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation. And I say that because I've got a bit of a sunspot here. My Light Wonder foundations, that shows through it, whereas with this has covered it up. Yeah, so I do think it's a thicker coverage than my Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder. But as CC cream goes, yep, I was surprised at how thick it was. Not money wasted, for sure. And just manage expectations. If you've never tried this before, never tried a CC cream, never tried this one, and like a light coverage, then be prepared for this not to be a light coverage. It's quite a good coverage. And I think that's probably all I've got to say on the subject of the It CC cream.